Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to sort filter Microsoft Excel files. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft Excel file. So here this is the Microsoft Excel file. Here I will do sort filter. So how? Here is the sort and filter options. This is the thing, sort A to B, A to Z, A to Z to A. So this is the things I can sort. So first of all I have to select this column, then we'll go to the filter. See, we have to do the filter sign has been here. So now how will we sort or synchronize this thing? Like here, what is this? This is the accuracy. So I want to see the which thing has been won. So here this, and unselect this all, and only will show this. See, one. Now sorting options. So how? So sort Microsoft found data next to selections. Since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. So I will here. Now this thing, see, the thing has been changed. So how? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, C. This is the sorting. Again sort Z to A. That means the regression. So C, R, M, L, G, A is the last thing. So in this way we can sort these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.